Forex trading is a business that has been running for hundreds of years. In every generation, people trade Forex. And it's a very, and I can say, a true business. In this video, I'm going to teach you how Forex trading works for absolute beginners. If you're a beginner, you're in the right channel. Let's get to the move. The basic idea is in Forex trading, you trade currencies to make profit, and to make profit due to the price movement. In trading in Forex market, we trade currencies, right? We trade currencies of different countries all over the world, the international currencies. And those currencies offers us a number, and I can say huge profit opportunities. And because of that, Forex trading has a higher price movement due to the number of people who are participating in this business. In currency pairs, we buy one currency and we trade another. We buy one currency and we sell another currencies. For example, Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm buying Euro and at the same time I'm selling what? USD. And at the same time I'm selling Euro and also buying what? USD. Let me explain it in a very simple way. When the market shows me that the economy of Euro is stronger, I will place a buy, right? And when the market shows me that the economy of United States is stronger than the one of, is weak than the one of Euro, I will place a sell. That's what it means. Price meaning is very important, right? Because when you know price meaning, you will know how much money you are making when you are trading, right? 1 euro, when we say Euro USD equals 1.10, it actually means that 1 euro costs what? Costs $1.10, right? 1 euro USD is called 1.10. It simply means that 1 euro, right, equals 1.10 United States. When you have 1 euro, you want to change it to United States, right? The exchange rate is 1.10 United States. If you have 100 euro, then you can multiply 100 euro times 1 point what? 1.10. That's the price meaning. Buy trade. In Forex market, when prices are going up, right, we place what? We place buy. The reason why we place buy is to make what? Profit. Let me tell you this one. If you see candlestick, this one, they are going up, it means buy. When you see them, they are coming down, right? They are coming down, it means what? Sell, right? The goal in this buy and sell is to make a profit, right? When you come to the market, you see that the candlesticks are going up, you place buy, and when you see that they are coming down, you place sell, and you make what? You make profit. Sell trade. Sell trade, as I tell you before, when prices are coming down, right, we place a sell. These are called candlesticks, right? They are called candlesticks, and also they represent what? They represent price meaning. We are going to get deeper, but I just want to explain it a simple way, right? They are called candlestick. Their role is to show the price movement, how the prices are moving, right? When candlesticks are going down, you place a sell, right? You place a sell. And when you place a sell, you make a what? You make a profit. Where you trade, this is very, very important. Knowing where to trade is very, very important, right? Because you have been hearing about forex trading, forex trading. Now you may ask yourself that, then how am I going to do it? How am I going to trade, right? Number one is through a forex broker. There are a lot of brokers outside there, right? We trade through a what? A forex what? A forex broker. We places our trade to a forex broker, right? Number two is trading platform. For example, like this one, it's called trading what? Trading view. You do what is called analysis. Analysis means that you see where the economics of two countries are, are reacting, right? Each other. Are they going up or are they coming down? Is Euro USD stronger than than Euro, and is Euro stronger than USD, right? We do what is called analysis in a trading platform called TradingView. Yeah. Leverage is very important because by the time you be trading in this business, you're going to use what? Leverage. A leverage, when you use leverage, actually means that it controls your money. When you have $100 in account and you uses a higher leverage, you're actually saying that you will be trading higher what? Higher leverage. And when you trade higher leverage will increase the profit that you're making, or it will reduces the money you have in account, right? When you use a high leverage, you have a high chance of making more money, and when you use a high leverage, you have a high chance of what? Of losing bigger money, right? You trade bigger when you have leverage, and small with a small what? With a small money, and also with a high what? With a higher risk. Higher risk simply means that if you use a big leverage and you have small money inside your account, right? You can make big profit and you can also make what? A big loss, right? That's what leverage means. Profit and loss. These two, they are very important, right? And they are working together. It's like left and right, right? Left and right. Win or lose. And win and losses depend on price movement. How prices react to each other, that's how we win or we lose. For example, if you bet that Euro USD will go up, meaning the economy of Europe is stronger than the one of United States, you place a buy, and the market reverses, right? Instead of the candlestick to go up, they come down, and you place a buy, so you will lose, right? And when you place a sell, meaning that the candlestick are going to come down, the prices are going to come down, right? And they went up, you what? You lose, right? So buy means when prices are going up, candlestick are going up, and sell means when prices or candlestick are coming down, right? And you win or we lose depends on the price movement. Risk market move fast. Forex market move very fast because it has a lot of people who are trading in this business because it's a global market with volume or capacity of over $5 trillion that are traded every day, right? And market move fast. And it also what? Create what is called liquidity, right? And the word liquidity simply means that a lot of people, they are trading what? Forex. At that time, when prices move very fast, it offers two things. Either you will make profit very fast or you will lose very fast. Therefore, losses are possible. To lose in this game is a must. It's not something that you will see that you will take serious, right? When you lose, you just have to figure out, how do I lose? Then next time, how should I not lose? That's how you're going to do it, right? If it is because of mistake, you write it down. And if you lose just because losses, they are possible in this game, there's no problem. And you continue working your way up. Just as making money is very easy in this game, losses is also very easy. Beginner rules. Number one, start with a demo account. Demo accounts will give you fake money, right? And where you will get demo account is with the broker that you're going to register with. Every broker that are outside there, right? They have what is called demo account, which is fake money. Any broker you have registered with will give you what? A demo account. And demo account, you will use it to trade in a real market, right? Other people may be trading real money, but for you, as a beginner, you will first start with a demo account so that you gain experience, you keep improving your skills, right? After you have mastered your skill and your knowledge, then you can start by taking what? Small trades. Small trades with a real account. You put some small money, then you can start what? Trading slowly, right? And do not rush. Take it step by step, right? Do not rush. I know you will have this emotion, right? That you want to make money very fast. I want to make thousands and thousands of money. That is true, you will make. But the first thing that you have to do as a beginner, you have to go slowly, patient after patient. And at the end of the day, you will make the amount of money that you wanted to make, right? Yeah. The final tip is first learn. Learning is very important in this business. If you want to get far and if you want to go higher, number one is learn. Keep learning, keep watching these videos over and over again, right? Number two is practice, right? You practice with a demo, you do analysis in TradingView, right? In TradingView, which is a platform that traders use to analyze the market to see how currencies are reacting, are behaving to each other, right? And you also what? Trade, right? Don't be lazy. Be serious, because this forex trading, if you take it unserious, it will reward you unserious. If you take it serious, it will reward you serious, right? Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in learning forex trading as a beginner, you are in the right word, in the right channel. I will keep uploading videos about forex trading for beginners every week, right? Kindly subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next one. Thank you.